This video is going to be a little different. This is something that I never thought would happen to a guy from Hayward that grew up in gangs, all kinds of stuff. You know, since 2021, hopping on social media, it opened up a lot of doors for me. So yeah, I love social media, changed my life. My hobby, like I always had the hobby of cooking. It was always a passion of mine. But social media really brought it out, brought my creativity out. I really took in a lot of, my culture into barbecue. I learned a lot from countless people that are also online, people that came before me. I still learn from them to this day. I still even learn from all the new guys that hop into the scene. What my life has become today is a testament to the power of social media. Everything, all the friends I've made, all the partnerships that I've made, everything from me being able to do this full time here in my backyard to support my entire family. It's amazing. And it's crazy to think, like where I came from. So fast forward about 2 years ago, I got reached out by a publishing company, Quarto. At the time, I didn't feel like I was, ready. I was still fresh. I still feel like I'm fresh in the game. So I kind of turned it down, told them to holler back at me, next year. Now fast forward to last year, after a lot of thought, we went ahead and made the deal. Part of it that made me want to do this was my mother. She was the big cook in the family. One of her favorite things, and you already heard, me talking about her and her cooking, but one of her favorite things that she loved the most was cookbooks. She was an avid cookbook collector. And so like when they reached out to me and told me about this opportunity and how, my style of cooking was so different and how I should 100% do a book, I thought about her. I thought about how proud she would be about it. I thought about her wanting to buy 100 copies and having them in every room in the house. That's the type of person my mom was. She was real supportive. And so I went ahead and took that leap as much as I didn't want to. I knew it was a lot of work. I've put in a lot of work these past 18 months and it's finally here. I'm super excited to announce that my book, The Backyard Barbecue with Fire and Spice, is available now for pre-order. The links to it are on my website. You can get it at Walmart, Apple Store, Barnes and Nobles, Amazon. It's all there. It's a book that I've worked on for quite some time. A lot of hard work went into it. A lot of people helped me on this journey to get this done. It means a lot. There's a lot of recipes that are, I carried down from my mother and from my father that I turned into barbecue, a fusion style. So not only the book is about, my culture, Cajun, Filipino barbecue recipes, but there are other recipes in here, styles of cooking, smoking, grilling, open fire, a lot of things that might not be traditional. It's just the way I grew up cooking. I'm more of a hands-on type of guy. I figured out things myself. I figured out my life by myself. This book is just what has worked for me over the years. The styles of cooking, what kind of charcoals, what kind of wood to use, temperatures. All right. So one of the first things you're going to see when you open this book is a dedication page that I dedicated to my mother. It's a lot of words that I'm not going to get into right now because, my mother holds a real big piece of my heart, and this book meant a lot. This book is for her. So you'll see in that first page how much my mother means to me. She meant the world to me, to my family, to my kids. I can't thank her enough for instilling me with try not to cry, man. For instilling in me the passion for cooking. It runs through my blood. Because of that, it's changed my life, my family's life. I wish she was here to see it all. I know she is here through every page that's in this book. I know she's proud of me, and I'm proud of myself. once you get past that emotional first page, there's a lot going on. There's multiple sections in here. We got a whole section, Filipino recipes. A lot of them you might have seen over the years, a couple of new ones. There's a Cajun section, you know, a lot of new recipes. Old ones are in there also. Of course, there's going to be a wing recipe section in there. It wouldn't be my cookbook if there wasn't. We also have a party food section, and then just a plain old smoking barbecue section, you know, some of my favorite styles of cooking or smoking, and some of my favorite cuts of meats. So there's a lot going on in here. Few of my friends that are real big names, you know, got a first-hand look of the book already, and they're amazed by it. They loved it. They're also endorsing it, and I can't thank them enough. You guys know who you are. Everybody will see it when the book's out. I just want to thank everybody for always supporting me. From the very beginning, my support system was real strong. Everybody's been real supportive. All my peers have been supportive. Everybody that's been behind this book have been supportive. And I'm super proud of it. I can't wait for you guys to check it out. I can't believe I have a book with my face on it. But it's here, and it's ready for pre-order. The link is going to be down below in the description. The links will also be on my website. If you end up purchasing one and supporting me on this journey, and you end up cooking some of these recipes and you post them, make sure you tag me. I'll be happy to share every single one of them. Message me, DM me, email me if you have any questions about some of these recipes. So again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me on this journey that led me to this. As much as this cookbook was for my mother, it's also for you, all my supporters. You know, if it wasn't for you guys, I would not be right here, standing here next to a book with my name on it. So whether you're an OG supporter or a new follower, grab yourself a copy. Make sure you share with me what you're cooking. Tag me so I can see it. Until next time, this is Tony Ramirez of TFTI BBQ. Now you get the out of my backyard.